Hello, this video will show you how to download and install our remote sensing application, RSETPy. Before you watch this video and install RSETPy, make sure you've watched the previous videos dealing with installing Python, the third-party Python packages, and MySQL, since all of those are dependencies that RSETPy requires to work. So to download RSETPy, we're going to go to our web browser, and for the URL we're going to enter http://hydrology1.nmsu.edu/capital RSETP lowercase y / and then press enter. So this will take you to a very sparse web page that just has one link which says Windows Installer. So that is the most current version of RSETPy, the installer for the most current version of RSETPy. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Windows installer, and it should begin downloading. So it downloaded to my downloads directory, so that's where I'm going to go. So downloads, there's the installer. So we're going to double click on the installer, press run, and then press next. And I'm going to keep the installation folder the default value. So I'm going to click next and install. So after I click install, and for you, if you see Windows asking you for administrator permission to perform this action, go ahead and grant that permission. So click on yes if it asks. Click finish. Okay, so RSETPy should now be installed. We're going to look around our system just to make sure. So one of the things the installer does is that it installs a task in the task scheduler for RSETPy to run every single day. So we're going to open the task scheduler. I'm going to go to my start menu, and in the search box I'm going to start typing task, and task scheduler pops up at the very top, so I'm just going to press enter. And then I'm going to click on the task scheduler library in the left pane, and right in the middle pane you can see there is an entry for RSETPy, so I'm going to double click that. So as you can see, the installer did install a task for RSETPy. It runs only when the user who ran the installer is logged in. So if you want to run it when you are not logged in, you have to change to this value. And it also runs with the highest privileges. It is set to run every single day at 8 p.m., so if you want to run it at some other point, you'll have to change that. We'll just go ahead and click OK. Okay, and then we'll close this window, the task scheduler window. And finally, we're going to go to the C drive to program files x86, NMSU, and you can see that there's an RSETPy directory, so we'll click on that, and you can see that there's several directories with some files in it. I'm going to open RSET process src, and you can see there's several Python files. So it looks like RSETPy has been successfully installed. So this really concludes the video for downloading and installing. Thank you.